Good afternoon, everybody. This is Chem News. I am Atticus Macias, and here is my partner Korina.
Hello, my name is Korina Muñoz. Today is the Chemistry Day, and we made a special program to celebrate it. We are going to show you some interviews to expert people about the participation of the chemistry in some areas as medicine, food, war, global warming, and also 3 possible solutions to stop this problem here in Mexico. Said this, we are going to start. Here is Pamela Gonzalez.
Well, we're going to start with the chemistry and medicine. Everybody knows that we cannot live without neither one. But what do the experts think about this? Here is Antonio Flores, a doctor from the Mexico Autonomous University.
Hello to everybody. Well, I'm going to present a little talk about this. First, I want to say that without chemistry, medicine wouldn't be as we know today. Many diseases have their root cause at the metabolic level. The understanding of the chemical reactions that take place are the most important thing in understanding and treating the disease. This is how medicine works.
Wow, no chemistry, no technology. Definitely the chemistry was and will be one piece of the progress of our world. But what does Alfonso Vasquez from the University of the Americas Puebla think about chemistry?
Well, for example, medicines are created to fight against bacteria, viruses, and parasites. And chemistry is used to study their behavior and abilities. Without chemistry, we couldn't know how to eradicate them. In the topic of create artificial substances that works as natural ones, improvements such as synthetic blood or analog insulin couldn't exist because we wouldn't know how they work and what is the function of that substances in our body.
Nice. Well, Korina, Atticus, hello, are you there?
Yes, Alejandro, we are here. Thanks for your labor.
Now, the chemistry helps to many science and areas of work. One of those are about the food. We prepared a visit to a restaurant in which 2 chefs from prestigious restaurants are going to help us about this topic. Okay, Juan Lopez was over there and he made this feature.
Hello, I'm here in this restaurant. Our topic is what is the relationship of chemistry and food. And to answer this question, we have these chefs from the Westbright University in Mexico City. These experts are going to tell us about this relationship. First, we are with Pamela Gonzalez. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. The food industry is challenged by its continuous need to adapt. Changes in markets and consumer behavior are the main driving forces behind this need. New opportunities in the areas of raw materials, ingredients, and productions technologies require scientists to develop new strategies for formulating and producing products. To meet the demands of change, we need a basic understanding of food, chemistry, and physics. This know-how will help us improve existing products and develop new ones.
You are right, Pamela. The time changed and our world changed too. I think that this is part of the process. But what about you, Cynthia? What do you think about it?
Well, food chemistry involves the study of chemistry of foods, their deterioration, and the principles underlying how to optimize products for consumers. It involves applying chemistry to the optimal development, processing, packaging, preservation, storage, and distribution of foods and beverages.
Guys, the chemistry is very important as I listen. All of us, we have to be conscious of this because almost the chemistry gives us as we need. This is very important. Thanks to Pamela and Cynthia for their time. Now, we go to the forum. Atticus.
Very interesting this information. Thanks Juan Lopez for your feature. Now, Korina, in what other area does the chemistry has an important labor?
Well, maybe the chemistry in this case did not handle humanity. This is the warfare. Well, for this, we visit a military base here in Monterrey City, and a colonel received us today.
Here we are in the 7th military base here in the state of Nuevo León, and we are with the Colonel Macias Vargas. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks Roberto. Now, hello veterans, I am Colonel Macias Vargas, and I'm here to tell you some of my experience as a soldier in middle of the battlefield. As we know, the most common weapons used in that time were rifles and stuff like that. But the real deal comes when the government introduced chemical weapons, are probably one of the most brutal created by mankind in comparison with biological and nuclear warfare. These weapons are inexpensive and easy to produce. They were used as poisonous gases made up of hydrogen to blind the enemy, produce some alterations in your skin, but also not only they were used to defend, but to heal those who were damaged in that time, like pills to kill the pain, to keep on fighting, and drugs that could make you more resistant in middle of the battle. This is some interesting information that you might didn't know.
Well, this colonel looks as an expert of the war. Well, about chemistry, now it seems that combat against the global warming, that is the most important problem now in World War. But in base of this, we consult an ecologist of the city.
That is true, Korina. His name is Miguel Segundo. He's from Greenpeace, Mexico, and he prepared us a video that shows a little description of our world. Go ahead.
Hello everybody in the forum. My name is Miguel. I am very happy that you could listen to me. Now I will talk about the problem that is very important to solve it, because it involves all the world. So about the greenhouse effect, the controlling mechanisms for controlling the temperature of the earth are gases in the atmosphere that allow visible light to pass through, but traps reflective heat energy or infrared light. These gases are water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxide, ozone, and freon. Carbon dioxide is often singled out as the greenhouse gas. Thank you.
Unbelievable this problem. Atticus, what do you think?
Now I'm going to tell you 3 solutions to stop the global warming. One of them will be to stop the burning of coal. This will be level country. Our strategy to follow would be research better useful ways to use coal, make presentations, triptychs, etc. about the topic, and explain to the people the problem. One advantage is like there will be less air polluted, reduce the emission of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. But one of the disadvantages would be that nobody would like to hear, and there wouldn't be industries. So if there are not industries, what will they produce? So, and another one possible solution would be that use of alternative energies. This will be also level country. The strategy to follow would be find sources of energy that do not pollute the air, and find the costs and check if it's cheap to buy, or find the better alternative to use. And the advantages will be that more sources of energy without involving combustion, and another disadvantage is that they have a high cost of products and maintenance. Another possible solution would be the reforestation schools. Level community. A strategy to follow, make campaigns and presentations in the auditorium of the school, plant new trees in the school backyards with the help of the students. One advantage will be like stop and promote deforestation, note the importance of how this affects to our environment, and other disadvantages will be that the trees planted can be damaged by the students if they are not taken care, and if this problem don't stop, there won't be enough plants that can give us oxygen. Well, that was all of my part, and thank you for listening.
Well, now we know how chemistry is involved in all areas of our life. Chemistry is very important because it has contributed, as any other science, to create new technologies and to develop new and stronger materials. And without chemistry, life would be very hard, and there couldn't exist plastics, polymers, fuels, and probably medicine couldn't exist. In less words, there couldn't be any kind of humanity progress. Thank you.